Happy Valentines Day!
Happy Valentine's Day.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Still sleepy. Shigoto nai. Kyo shigoto nai desu.
Look at my nails. I'm so ready for Valentine's.
Really?
But it's so gloomy today. So hard to get up. Right? It's raining yesterday.
Yeah,
It was
it's raining
raining
hard.
the entire day, and now is it raining outside?
It's still raining.
Yeah, it's still raining.
Still does.
Raining and raining. Oh, look at our pillow. It's on Valentine. Hearts in brown and pink. Yeah, so he's doing his thing again. Yeah, COC.
No.
COC for breakfast.
Yeah, because she's not preparing one.
Ha, say ba? Madayo.
Mada dyan na yun.
So yeah, we will just be having breakfast. I'll make some breakfast. See ya later. Oh, now I'm going to make breakfast. So this is the pancake mix that we are going to use. We love this one because this one tastes better compared to the other ones that are a little cheaper. This is a little expensive, but it tastes good. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's a little expensive as long as it tastes good.
And it's not kuantos, it's not, it's pre-made ba yan?
Put on some mix on the pan. I think it's already hot and ready. Yeah, oh my gosh. Here we go. Yummer. I think it's ready to flip. It's flip time. Yup. Perfect. Just going to share my upload yesterday on Facebook. So yeah, let's do, I have my blog here, and this was yesterday's vlog. Just going to share this on my Facebook. Yep. Oh, what's wrong? It won't share. So this is my blogspot, by the way, guys. So I'm just going to share this post from yesterday through my blog. Okay. Yeah, there we go. But there are no picture. There's the picture. And then I'm just gonna write something. Yeah. Hey guys, I have a package. Wait, I have a package.
Gani, di pa rin ko dawaton. Wow, biya kong himuha.
Why are you so like that?
Dagan-dagan to.
Because I look gross. The package. Guess what this is? Yeah! Happy Valentine's! And also I need to load the laundry now because it's already turned off. I did not turn off the lights. Why? So let's load the laundry. So this is the pancake. His pancake is so weird. Well, oh my god, what did you put? So he, instead of butter or peanut butter, this is black sesame
Spread.
spread, sesame seeds spread. That's why it looks so gross. What's that?
Oishio.
Really? Let me see you. Ew. But mine, I have some, I have butter. Oh my gosh, I'm speaking. Butter and maple syrup on my pancake. But his pancake looks like it has dirt on it.
Yeah, like here. No, ako di ako kagwantawan na ana.
Hi, sweet. Super warm today. It
Yeah,
feels
it's
like
hot.
spring already,
Now
and
it's hot. It's not spring, it's hot.
it's not hot.
Freaking
It's just warm and comfortable, and
No, it's hot.
chigo you, nani.
It's not cold, it's hot.
It's not hot. It's perfect.
hot.
It's a perfect weather after the winter. Yes, it's a. What are you
It's like a
doing?
mirror.
What are you doing? Nani yatteru no mai?
I sleep.
Let's try speaking Nihongo.
Japanese.
Yeah, let's try speaking Nihongo. Ima kara Nihongo shaberu ne.
So karong
You try to translate what I'm talking. Ima kara Nihongo shaberu ne.
Bisaya or English?
Dochi demo.
sugo karong sugo karong hapon.
What are you?
Yeah. Sugo karong hapon.
Yeah, that's really new.
Yeah, it's Japanese. 今から日本語喋るでしょ。そうからん、hapon. Then what?
Kashi no mai.
もうおかしいじゃないよ。本当だよ。
Really?
Yeah.
So do you actually believe him that that's the
Yeah, it's
exact
Japanese.
translation?
It's Japanese. No doubt about it, it's Japanese.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So let's get ready.
To rumble.
Yeah. Oh, my nails. I'm obsessed with my nails. See how pretty. Wow.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you for real?
He is just jealous because he also wants to have these nails.
Okay, do mine.
Exactly like this. You want exactly like this? Okay. I'll do it.
Nah, you don't have to do that.
I'm gonna do it.
I don't want you to. Now
He
just
wants
clean it up.
the exact
No,
nail that I
just
have
clean it
right
up.
now.
Clean it up.
Your nail's already clean. We already.
No, it's not clean. It's dirty.
See you later, man. So we are out and about, and this is just my face for this Valentine's Day. I just did a very simple eye look today since I felt that I feel so lazy waking up today because it's just so gloomy and it's a little warm. It feels amazing actually, feeling warm after all those cold after all those cold weather. So yeah, I just feeling super lazy, so I just did very simple makeup and I just applied some lashes just to glam up a little. So yeah, we are about to go out now, eat some lunch. We'll not be having date night. We'll just be having lunch date for Valentine's. Yeah, and So to all my friends here in Japan, make sure to take your vitamin C every day because I saw from the news that there are a lot of cases going on about influenza or flu. So yeah, better make sure to do some preventions because it's not easy to get sick. If you have an influenza here, they will not let you go to work like for a week. Yeah, that is too long not to work. So yeah, better prevent it from from happening. So for those, yeah, for those who haven't gotten their flu shots yet, make sure to take your vitamins, especially vitamin C. I took 2,000 milligrams myself. I know that is so crazy, but I just don't want to get sick anymore. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you later, guys. I need to hustle now. Hey everybody. So we are heading to church. Yeah. Because today is second Sunday of the month and it's only second and fourth Sunday of the month that we are having English Mass on the church that is near where we live. Nani sure. Why I cannot talk today? Why? I'm trying doing accents, whatever. So yeah, we're going to church and
You
then
speak English very well.
so ka.
Yes.
And after that we will be having lunch, but we need to go to the church first.
Church first. Before lunch.
And
We don't eat lunch first, then church. It's a bad thing to do.
but we had our breakfast late, so it's still fine. We're not
Yeah, it's okay.
hungry
We're not
yet. We're not hungry yet. My nails! How many times did I've shown you my nails? But it's so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Soka.
Yes.
Pretty ka.
Pretty like you.
Pretty like you. Nani ka pretty like you.
Well, watch where you're driving, man. Watch where you're driving. So yeah, see you later.
Alligator.
So we are in church now. Are we late? I think
Yeah.
it starts 1:30. It's so hot today.
Well, this is the road. It's a
I
black
regret
road.
wearing a warmer under. It's so hot. And the wind is not cold
Ay, mga
either.
wallet ha.
Yes, I have it. I have all your money.
Yeah.
Yes. So mass is over and we're stuck with traffic. Yes. Traffic. Paminsan-minsan. Traffic naman tayo dito. Yeah, but it's not that heavy. So, yeah, that's the church. Tajimi Church here. So that is how it looks like. I cannot see further anymore. Yeah. And those are grapevines over there. Of course, a dead tree. So we decided to have lunch over there.
Together.
Of course, together.
Yeah.
Why are you eating lunch alone on a Valentine's Day? Oh my gosh, why like that? So we are.
Why are you on track?
Because you want
Whoa.
me there. Whoa.
Oh, almost paradise.
Gio! I'm going to go inside there later.
Yeah,
But
then-
first we need to eat. We will be having ramen for our Valentine's.
Just be there for a few seconds. Just get in and get out immediately.
Are you sure?
Yeah. 100% sure.
Really? I like to eat pasta for my Valentine's, but
But-
since
There's no pasta, you eat noodles.
yeah, it's still the same, right? It looks like noodle ramen looks the same. It still has pasta.
Yeah.
No, noodles in it. Ramen so noodles, so they look a little the same. So we are having lunch here at the store. So this is the menu. It's so overwhelming. Maybe I'm gonna be having this sashimi. Yeah, looks overwhelming, but I will not be getting a lot this time because the last time that we had lunch here, we pretty much ordered a lot and it was so hard to finish them all. But I like to eat chaham too. But I want this one too. And I also wanted to eat gyoza too. Yeah, maybe we'll just buy this one. You like gyoza?
Naman sa lunch pack.
But
Eat
there
na lang sa
is
lunch pack. Gusto ka
a
na?
siomai too. Dosho, which one am I going to have? But they have a small ramen. But I don't like ramen because ramen is so different from this one. The taste is so different, right? From sashimi. So let's decide. So I end up getting this one, sashimi, and I also had what's this? Gyoza, and my hubby got this one which includes ramen, fried rice, chahang, and gyoza, and
Okay.
this one. What's that? So this is my food. My food. It's so big. Look how big it is. This is my face and this is my food. Let's eat, guys. Tastes so good. This is what I'm having. Yeah. This is how you eat ramen. You should make a sound. If you don't make a sound, it doesn't mean if you don't make a sound, it means it's not delicious. So you should make a sound when you eat your ramen in restaurants here in Japan. I can't get any more. I need tea. I want to drink tea. But I finished my ramen. But he needs to finish the cha. But there's still 2 gyoza. I can't. I don't know why, but it's so difficult to eat a lot nowadays. Unlike before, I could really eat ramen, shahang, and gyoza. Like I could finish them all, but now I can't. I don't know why. I just can't. Good thing I have my savior. Yay! Thumbs up for you. Thumbs up for him, guys. You should need to thumbs up this video because he finished my food. Yeah. We still have an orange. Do you feel the same way, guys, when you pass by the ice cream section and it's so cold, but it feels so good to eat ice cream? Yeah, that one. I promised myself not to eat chocolate, but I just cannot stop it. I need to get one, but it's fine because this is 72 and 86% chocolate. It's fine. We're at the counter now. What did you get? Peanut whip for...
180 naman. 200 naman niya. Palit ko ni 300 mo na.
Okay, sold. buying this again because it's wishy. Wishy ne. And I also bought some corn. This corn because I'm lazy. Already. Popcorn? Oh my god, I don't know. I just want to get one. Because this is my favorite. One only, okay?
Kunin lang na gusto eh.
No, why are you always doing that to me?
Dito.
No,
Kunin lang
no,
gusto.
no. Kit Kat. Let's buy this one. This one is much better compared to that one because that is so sweet. This one is bitter.
Black.
And that one is matcha.
Ay,
Green tea. I don't like it. So
tamis.
sweet. Yeah.
Caramel man eh. Bawbaw.
Look at this, guys. If you are from, I don't know, from Cebu or your Bisaya, you would probably notice this one. This looks like a bahug-bahug. You know that already, what's that it? Already spoiled breads and they make it into another bread. This one is orange. Puja.
Rebake it.
Puja. What is puja? Puja. This is caramel.
Pudding.
Pudding. Yeah, pudding. That's one. Bahog. Exactly. Let's take a close up. Yeah, bahog dayo. I went to Daiso today for my Valentine's Day. Yes. And I have some goodies with me. Maybe I'll do another haul for this one. Another Daiso haul. Do you like it, guys? I've noticed that when I posted Daiso hauls, a lot of you liked it because most of my Daiso hauls has a very good amount of views on it. So I think most of you guys love Daiso. So maybe I'll do another Daiso haul for you because you know, you might want to go or have a trip to Daiso and you wanted to buy something from there, and maybe if you're a first timer, you don't know what to get. Since it's Sunday, it's movie time. Yeah, we're watching a movie right now and we are watching The Intern. Yeah, it's... What's that name of that guy?
Huh?
What's the name of that guy?
Robert De Niro?
Robert De Niro and Anne Hathaway. Yeah. Just enjoy our movie with the hubby eating his junkiness. And I'm also eating my popcorn, my favorite popcorn. And I also have this one. It's a coconut. Yeah. Coconut candy. And of course, chocolates for Valentine. Hey everybody, I hope you had a wonderful day celebrating your Valentine's Day. Whether it will be you're a couple or single, it doesn't really matter if you're single because Valentine's Day is not only celebrated with couples, but we also celebrate it with our parents, siblings, or even with friends. So I hope you had a wonderful day today, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. I hope to see you in my next vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you all. Peace.